Hey, coming at you from the farmstead. This is the final video on the clubhouse. The kids have finished it. They've had their party, their Christmas party in it, and we're breaking in the new year with it as clean as it'll probably ever be. My daughter here has the camera, and she's doing a fantastic job of shooting it for you. As you can see, the futon is in place. The pillows are on it. The fireplace is going. The table is in. We've got some white cabinets that we, just whitewashed that were from a garage sale. The little cow lamp from 4-H is in. The railing is lit up and ready for the holidays, as it has been the holidays for the last, 8 or 9 days, and it's been awesome. The paint is all holding up really well. The electrical system is doing great. They've got their little hanger hooks. Tabitha has her deer hooks on one side and her giraffes on the other. We've got, our typical farm hooks for the coats, which we use our metal horseshoes that they made and welded together. The intercom system relays right to the house if they want to get a hold of us. And of course, it's 25 below out. The windows are frosted over, and it's a balmy, nice, 58 degrees in here with the heater, which is what we wanted. They've got their bench and their couple chairs, their, little placemats. They got storage under the bench. They've got, coloring crayons and pencils in here. A, J, and T stands for Anna, Tabitha, and Julia. Those are the 3 girls. Grant and Matthias, I guess, do not get the luxury of being on the wall, but that's just the way it goes. The LED lighting is working great. I love the carpet tiles. They are working excellent. Thanks to my brother and sister-in-law that found us this futon free of charge. It's working absolutely wonderful. The tile floor from Mohawk Fast Tile that went in is absolutely wonderful and holding up well. And as we go up the stairs, I've got my treads on the stairs to make it easier for the kids. And as you can see, it's solid beds, 5-inch foam beds. They got a pile of sheets and clothes here in the corner already. That's already started. They've got their pillowcases, their sheets, their pillow pets, their night lights. They got everything up here they want. They busted it in already with a great big party, and 4 or 5 girls came over, plus our 3, and there was a lot of kids in here, and they just had a blast all night long. And of course, they spent New Year's Eve in here last night, ringing in the new year. So I just wanted to show you folks, this is the clubhouse. It contains the magic of Christmas for these young people. I'd highly recommend, if you get the ability, build something like this for your kids. They'll absolutely love it. God bless in 2022 as we started out. Thank you.